Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Crazy Wacky Face Emoji. So let's get started. To draw this silly emoji, I'm going to use this as my circle template only because I'm drawing really big. So I'm just going to start, say right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and trace this. And I'm going to leave a little spot towards the bottom because I know there's a tongue that sticks out. So somewhere around here. So I'm just going to stop, say about right there. And I'll just leave that as right here open. So then from there, let's start to draw the mouth first. So I'm going to come towards the bottom half, say around here, and I'll just give myself a point. So we're going to basically draw a curve that comes up over here. So let's go all the way across, slight curve, and we're going to end about the same amount of space on the other side. Then from there, we're going to follow this curve. So let's come right here. I'm just going to follow my circle and same thing over here. Just follow my circle. And now let's go in and draw the teeth. So I'm just going to follow the top curve that I've made. And then now let's come in here and draw the tongue that sticks out. So in this area, let's draw a straight line down, and it's going to pop right out. And let's come over here and do the same thing and just connect it. There, it got really long tongue, right? Okay, so then you can come in here very lightly and just draw a center line. Curve this out a tiny bit, a little bit too straight. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish this curve. So about right there and connect it. And then you can go ahead and finish your circle. There. Okay, so now to draw the wacky eyes. I'm going to come up here and we'll just draw the small one first, right above this. So about in this area, right here, we're going to draw a smaller circle. And then right next to it as slant, right here, let's draw the bigger one. It goes all the way towards the edge. And then let's come in here, we're going to draw another circle. And then we're going to give it, I'm just going to give mine a little highlight and then shade this part in. And right here, this one's going to be at the top right here. And another highlight and shade it in. Make this one a little bit bigger, just to match the other one. There, nice and wacky, right? So that is pretty much it for the drawing part. Now to bring it to life with some color. So there, hope you enjoy watching me bring this wacky face emoji to life. And just a little tip, as you can see, I used the white color pencil here to really pop out the tongue and the top part right here. So I hope that inspires you to give it a try, and thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.